Hey guys, and welcome to this video. So to start off this video, I wanted to show you guys some of the things that I recently picked up to style my new office kind of workspace area. For me, I know it's really important to have a nice, fun workspace environment where I feel motivated to get in there, and buying stuff for my desk and organization and decor is definitely a way to get me motivated. So I hope you guys are excited to see what I hauled and then how I'm going to be using them in this space. This room that I'm using doubles as a beauty room / office. So it's kind of like my room, and then I just put whatever I want in it. I want to make it feel like homey and nice and relaxing, and also a really good place to study. So over here, I just moved my desk because number one, my beauty lights went out because my dogs broke them. Love that. They literally chewed off the plug that goes into the wall. Anyway, that's another story. But so I was using natural light for my makeup and stuff. And I also got a new desk for Christmas. My husband bought me a desk. So that is what I'm going to be organizing, because it's a lot bigger and it has a lot more room for me to put all my books out, all my supplies, and I can also organize it with you guys. I start school next Wednesday, January 2nd. I'm getting my master's of occupational therapy. I'm scared, but I'm really, really excited. It was very important for me to go ahead and have the space completed and done by the time I start school, minus a few little finishing touches, because I know we start school that day and we literally have homework that night, and we need to be studying. We already have a quiz the first week. Anyway, that's way too much information. Let's go ahead and get into this haul. Let's go through the school supplies stuff. It literally felt like I was in kindergarten buying some of this stuff. But I needed erasable colored pencils because we do a lot of coloring and anatomy to color in muscles and stuff. So I picked up some of those. I got some pens and pencils, just basic stuff, because I haven't bought any of those in forever. I got a good pair of scissors. I just needed a good pair to keep in here for just me and to do things in here and they won't get lost throughout the house. Obviously paper and a new binder. I don't even know where my old binders from undergrad are, so I was I'm just gonna buy a new one. I got these adorable paper clips and binder clips from Target. I love them so much. They're rose gold, really cute. And then I got this stapler. It was on sale at Target. It was on sale for $7, and I love the marble stapler, so I thought this was gonna be super cute to sit out on my desk. But then I couldn't find any of the other marble accessories that went along with it, so instead of marble to go along with it, I am going to continue on with the gold theme, because this does have gold in it, and I think that'll tie in really nice. So I got a gold pencil cup and a gold tape dispenser. This thing was hard to find. All the Targets around me were sold out until I finally found one, because I want everything to look like it goes together. My husband bought me this desk, a nice lamp that I'm using for light right now, and then these little succulents in these little pots, and they're so cute. I have 3 of them in here, but he bought me 5. I just thought these were cute to set it on my desk. I just dumped that dirt out everywhere. Oh well. Aren't these so cute? So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys everything as we keep going, but I wanted to go ahead and show you what I hauled. Oh no. I finally got a Philly fit. If you know me, you know I've been wanting one of these for literally ever. I've been looking and looking and looking. I haven't really found one that I wanted, but that was the right height and wasn't a fortune. So I found this one. It's pretty good size. It's mid-size, but I thought I could eventually even get a plant stand or something to elevate it a little bit more. But this is from Target, and it's the Threshold brand, and it was $40. So it was kind of expensive, but I really, really wanted one. And so I just was you know what? I'm just gonna get it because I've been wanting it forever. So yeah, I was so excited to find this. It was the only one I could find. But they are available online, and any of this stuff that I can link down below, I will. Okay, the next 2 things were kind of I wanted them, but I don't know what I'm gonna use them for. I got this massive jug, but this was on sale for $14, and it was originally $30. So I was I need to get it because I can put some stuff in it. I can put faux plants in it and have it in the corner, or I might put this in my bedroom. I'm not sure, but I just want to go ahead and show you guys. And then I also got this matching kind of little one. I loved this color, the blue with the gold specks. I just thought this was really cute as well to display. So that is just a few things that I picked up at Target. Oh, I also got a new planner. Is there anything more satisfying than a new planner? Because for me, there's not. I love a new planner. I love writing in it, making it all nice. I like to have everything planned out, and this one's a really good one. I got it at Home Goods, but they also sell them at TJ Maxx. It's just a Clementine paper company, I think. Yeah, and it's all recycled paper. They have the big calendar view. And then they also have where you can write out individual things for each day. So you have both, which I really like. because I can't fit everything in the little box. Last thing I picked up today was a new desk chair. I actually found a good deal on one because desk chairs, I was doing my research and I was like, oh my gosh, these are so expensive, and I really just didn't want to dish out 120 bucks for a desk chair. So I ended up finding one at Bargain Hunt, which is like a local it's like a local place where everything's new, they just sell it at a deeply discounted rate. It was originally like $120 and I paid $50 for it. So I was really excited. It's not white. I really wanted a white desk chair, but it's gray. So, you know, yeah, I had to compromise a little bit because I was just not going to spend 120 bucks on a desk chair. I just didn't want to do that. And then the last thing I'm going to be getting for this room is a rug, but that probably won't be included in this video because shipping and everything, I don't know when it's going to get here. And I really want to do this and get this video up for you guys. All right, I am going to start putting things together in this room. It is getting dark here, but I really wanted to go ahead and do this today. Hopefully you guys can still see, but I also did get a new phone. I'm filming on my new iPhone. Because I just like to film on my phone. It's just much easier for me. And also my big camera doesn't autofocus anymore. So I don't know what's wrong with that. But anyway, I got the new iPhone, so hopefully it's a little bit clearer and nicer for you guys. But anyway, let's go ahead and decorate my office. Okay guys, so this is the desk chair that I got. It's inspired by Bassett Archer executive chair. That's what it looks like. It is gray. Like I said, I wanted a white and gold one, but I hope this isn't too hard to assemble. I think it's like already assembled, just minus the legs. Literally it, I think. Hopefully I installed it right. It's a little bit lighter of a gray than the one they had out in Storden. Oh, sweet. That was extremely easy. All right, well, this is what the new chair looks like. Not bad for $59 or 50 bucks. So this is the desk that my husband bought me. It's just a basic black top with the metal legs, but I really wanted something that was minimal and sleek looking. So this is what we're working with. And then this is the lamp he got me. I said it looks like the Pixar lamp, and I love it because you can totally adjust it if you want it closer to you while you study. Higher up, I can move this around and stuff. So I really like it, and I'm ready to organize it. So y'all have probably seen this chair in some of my videos. I got this at Walmart, can you believe it? And it's like the softest chair ever. That pillow came from Home Goods, and that came from Bargain Hunt as well. And then this is just a mess right now. So this is just all my makeup and stuff. This is just where I keep extra makeup, and I'm probably gonna put some more school supplies and stuff up in there because I like consolidated and got rid of a lot of makeup and stuff. So I don't know where to put the fiddle leaf fig though, because I want it to be like a focal point, but not really in the way, you know? Huckleberry. Also, I'm getting a rug because this carpet is so bad. It's the same carpet that's been in the house since we bought it. And I want to pull it up and redo the flooring, but until then I'm going to get a rug. So I'm going to look on Rugs USA tonight and see what I can find. But I want a fun pop of color in this room. So I want like a fun rug. Like a rug I wouldn't put anywhere else in my house, just for in my office, in my little space. So, all right, let's go ahead and organize the desk. I already told him this is where he's going to be hanging out while I study my life away. And I'm not even mad about it. Say, I love you, Huckleberry. Do you like this spot? So let's go ahead and start off. So I need to move some stuff around. I have to have these for lab, so I'm just keeping these out till I can put them in my backpack for school when it gets a little bit closer. Okay, I'm so excited about the sleepwear. Like literally the little things that make me the happiest. I don't know why it's on clearance. I guess they were clearancing out all the marble stuff, and this is like a heavy duty one. Oh my gosh, she's so pretty. Okay, so first thing is I'm gonna get some stuff. I think, does this come with staples? No. Okay, so I'm gonna load this up. I have plenty of staples. Some people ever run out. Okay. So cute. Oh my gosh, I love it. Hope you all had a great Christmas. I had a great Christmas. I'm trying to decide if I want to film what I got for Christmas haul. I guess I should have gotten like a little organizer thing. Maybe I'll get the one I liked at Home Goods because it was clear. I feel like I need something to put like these things in, some like post-it notes, random stuff like that. But I also don't want my desk to feel cluttered. Nice pair of scissors from my desk area, so put those in there. So I think I'm just gonna put some of those binder clips and paper clips in this little thingy and just keep this on my desk until I have like an organizer thing. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, like I literally don't even want to use them. They're so cute. I got these baskets at Walmart a long time ago and I wish I still sold them because I would buy so many more of them, but I can't find them in stores anymore. So I'm not sure what's going on with that. So what I'm gonna do with this though is kind of use it as like a binder stand, a book stand, just something cute to kind of tie in with the rose gold paper clips. Since I have a lot of regular gold, I'm really mixing metals here, but it's okay. And then I have like this little textbook that I'm gonna need, so I'll put this in here and then probably set it up on this big book. Okay, so this is what we're looking like so far. I like how there's like a lot of space still left on the desk, but I still have pretty much everything that I need. And that planner with that binder just looks so cute. Like I'm obsessed. I think all this looks really cute. Huckleberry's still chilling at my feet. So now I really just need to figure out what I'm gonna do with the plants and just do some last minute little changes. And I know this video is kind of short, but I just want to show you guys how I'm prepping for grad school. Obviously there's enough room on this desk for there to be a laptop and then my books and stuff and then like paper. So I can have everything out at once, which is a big deal to me. I really want to have that. This desk is over here is like a quarter of the size. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this and we'll see what it looks like when I'm all done, minus the rug. That will be in probably a later video because I really wanna get this one up. But okay, let's just see what other final touches we can do. So this is the overview of what my room looks like so far. I really like it. I love this little area. That little rug I had in my kitchen and I was like, I might as well just put it in here for now till I can get a big one for this whole room because the dogs have destroyed this carpet and I can only clean it so much. But I really like the way it turned out. I think it looks really cute and homey and I'm really excited to study in here and get some stuff done. Eventually I probably will get like a big circle mirror to go there or some sort of poster or something, but for now this is exactly how I wanted it, minus a rug and probably a mirror. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. I did put a little blanket in that basket over there that my dogs have chewed up, so thanks. So I'm super pleased. I mean, just using a few things that I already had and just getting a few new things really just helped make this space feel more like mine, in a place where I can come in and study and relax and hopefully make all A's in my classes. So everyone that's starting back up to school, good luck. I hope this semester is good for you and I hope that I can survive grad school. I'm really excited and blessed to have this opportunity. So I hope you guys enjoyed seeing what this little office room tour looks like. And if you have any suggestions for things I should do, add, change, what do you have in your office? If you have a video like this, leave me the links down below. I'd love to watch them because I love seeing these kind of videos. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed. I still will be doing a few more things in here and I'll probably film that in a future update video, but for now, this is what we are working with. I start school in like 3 days, so that's exciting. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
See me as your enemy, or see me as your